Hello students, today I talk about a very excellent topic and which exists in surrounding us, and in absence of these things we cannot see anything. Just take an example. If I turn off the bulb of my room, then you cannot see me, but it does not mean that I am not standing here. I am standing here but you cannot see me, because the reason behind this is that in my room there is no source of which things light. In my room there is no source of light. Because of this, the light cannot fall on my body, and it cannot be reflected on my body by my body, and also you cannot visualize these things. Just take an example. In this cartoon picture, the boy is get ready to go school or somewhere else, so he just stand in front of, as you can see, it is which mirror? It is plane, and it is the not reflected part, so it is called plane mirror. So there is some keywords which we have to know. This is first is erect. Erect means if the boy is standing here, then his image. So first of all, what is the image? It we observe it is virtual image, because we cannot get this obtained in screen. So we get this virtual image. If the head is up direction, then we get also the image, virtual image also in the up direction, and it is called erect. And also the distance of the from the mirror is also same for the virtual image. And also there is a lateral inversion. That means if you put your left hand in front of mirror, you can get the virtual image of right hand. So it is, you can see in plane mirror. Now we are look into the details. Some brief introduction is that we denote a incident ray, reflected ray. So first of all, before getting to the discussion, we just take what is incident ray and why we are discuss about medium and all around us. So first take an example. Suppose the torch is a incident ray and we put it in just here, and it is the medium. It is a water medium, and it is a air medium. So I just put my bottle which is full of water like this, and as you can see, the incident light, which is the torch, is some light are reflected and which get in this direction, and some light are refracted and which is get in this direction. You can get appropriate direction by if you use the say laser point, which accurately you can observe. So so in this case, the if this is observed and experimentally we can observe it, so obviously there is some law, because physics is observe, experiment, and then we get some laws which we can get here also, which called the laws. The laws for which? For reflection, for which reflection? The law is that the angle between the normal, it is a normal, and say it is water medium and it is air medium. So when an incident ray is fall on the surface between air and water, at this point we have a normal which is perpendicular to the surface, and the reflected ray which make an angle say r, and in this case say I, then the laws of refraction says the angle of I equal to angle of r. This notation is represent the angle, like this. So the angle of I equal to angle of R, and also the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal are all on the same plane. Now another laws which is for refraction. So what we get in this case? In this case, the incident rays angle I and the refracted ray arrow, the notation of arrow is very important for light, because the incident ray, which direction it is travel, it very important to denote in light chapter. So the angle say R. So for the laws of refraction, the sign, you most probably watch in or read in sine, trigonometric function, sine, cos, tan, and all. So the sine of angle I by sine of angle R, here is the R is the for the refraction ray angle, refracted ray angle, so the it is a constant. It is not just a constant, it is a very important to define this ratio, which is denoted as refractive index. Which can be denoted like this. So in this case you can see the incident ray, air and water. So the incident ray from the air medium, it is fall in the surface of air and water medium, and then it is travel in water medium, as you can see, like this bottle, the water medium, the incident ray fall in this, and it is refracted by it is. So what we get? We can get the refractive index, and after calculating the angle of reflection and refraction and incident, you can get the refractive index. In water, the value of refractive index is 1.33. So now we are discuss about some basic things. Now just brief introduction of what is spherical mirrors. Here two spherical mirrors, one is concave and one is convex. Now the question is that what is convex and what is concave. So the concave, the name suggests that cave means just like this structure, so it is a concave mirror and it is a convex mirror. In definition, we can say that for concave mirror, the spherical, for which spherical mirrors the reflection, as you can see, the reflected surface is inwards. It is a reflected surface, means the light fall on this direction and it is reflected. So for concave mirror, the reflected surface is inwards, and for convex mirror it is outwards, because if an incident light ray just fall on this, you can get this reflected. So we can define concave mirror and convex mirror, and some further, for before going to the further details of convex mirror, concave mirror, how the image formation and how the ray are coming and they are reflected, all those things, just define few things. That is, first thing is pole, which is, what is pole? The center of the reflected surface is called pole, and as you can see this figure, it is a spherical surface, and some point, if you cut this point and just erase it, you can get just a concave mirror. So it is a just shaped like a surface. So if it is a surface, then there is which term is in there is a center, and the center is called in this case center of curvature, and in a spherical surface or mirrors there is also a term radius, which is in this case it is called radius of curvature. So in this case the center of and the pole and the radius of curvature is defined by Cp, which is also defined as r. Here is also Cp and the radius of curvature is r. So this is the basic definitions of those things.